We're selling 72 plate cars instantly, and here is another beautiful example. This is a Porsche 911 72 plate. It's covered just over 500 miles. 4-seater, 911, finished in Crayon. Beautiful specification as well. It's got all the right extras, sports chrono, RS Spider wheels. If you look at the roof, it's got that beautiful contrasting blue roof, but it's got a stunning, they call it Graphite Blue Interior, and it all just works beautiful with the car. Price, so important. If you look at the market, 911s, 2022 onwards, this is the best priced car in the UK. I don't hardly think there's another 72 to buy today, and it looks lovely. Crayon I mentioned, RS Spider wheels, the contrasting blue roof, 3 years Porsche warranty, 3 years Porsche assist, and I'll actually jump in it and show you. Actually, we'll put the roof down first. Let me show you it with the roof down, because then you can get a real feel for it inside as well in that graphite blue colour. But the roof just works off the key, and it's a, you know, we've sold lots of targets. This is a full 911, so you've got the full opening roof. Beautiful interior. Key extras, so it's got BOSE sound system. It's got GT leather steering wheel, which is finished in the contrasting graphite blue. Brushed aluminium trim is an option inside, which is lovely as well. I think the interior on the car is really nice. You've got the Porsche Crests on the headrests and on the centre storage compartment. And it just smells absolutely brand new, which I always love on a new car. Standard features as well, you know, keyless start, heated seats. You've got the that is lovely as well, just for that extra protection at the back. Sports chrono with your different driving modes. So you've got your Sport, Sport Plus. You've got front and back parking sensors, and you've got a camera as well. And just a cruise control. You've got your PDK gearbox. BOSE I've mentioned, but it's just a beautiful interior. And look, you can see, you know, the little things like the Crest there is lovely. I mentioned it on the seats. It's just a lovely example. Just under 400 brake horsepower, fun to drive, 4 seats, plenty of space, and a 72 plate priced on the market to sell instantly. Now I've started the car. You can see that LED light at the back, which looks fantastic. Now the car's quieted down a little bit as well. Big twin exhaust on the rear. But this car for me, yeah, it's got nice specification, but it's about the plate. 72 Crayon, not another car to compare it to in the UK, and we have priced this car up unbelievably great value to sell. It'll sell today. If you want to call me direct, you can. Fantastic 911, it's going live. Thanks for watching.